number 3. It's 210. 210. Next to it, it's enough. Okay, now I can see it's all shaped, not too low, not too high. I'm holding with my finger all the tumblers, bring it back to the same position. You see how it goes in, and slowly, no gap, keep it smooth all the way back. Now I can turn and check. If it's turning, it doesn't have any resistance, that means I put the right pins and it's good. Now to take it out, have to remember to put the finger on the cylinder and other hand's taking the key out. You can also use the second hand, it needs to be on a straight position, hold the cylinder, not going out, and take the key out. Now the cylinder is safe, it's in a lock position. You can bring the tailpiece back, lock it in. Lock it in. Okay, works. That key is not working anymore. It's not even going inside.